In this video, we're going to look at how you can connect a Facebook Messenger button, which is basically a widget, which can embed onto your website and locate itself in a fixed button, normally in the bottom right-hand side of your website. The idea being that then if anybody visits your website and they're logged into Facebook, they can click on the Messenger button and they can message you through your website with the click of a button, and then they will get notified via their Facebook notifications. So it's very straightforward, and I'm just going to show you where you would find it. So basically go to under pop-ups and you can see you've got Messenger, and then go to Setup Now, and Setup Now will take you through to a very straightforward way of setting up. As long as you've got a Facebook account, it will set up very straightforward. So you click on the connect to Facebook. As long as you're logged into Facebook in the same browser, then it will find Facebook. It will connect to your Facebook account. Then you choose the Facebook page that you're running under your account, and then you can customize the design of the button to some extent, and then you just publish, and it should then be linked onto your account. And as soon as you publish your website, it will all go live. Okay, so that is how you would incorporate a Facebook Messenger button into your website.